Today, let's talk about the remaining 95 transformation methods of container houses. If you don't want to go to the gym, you can buy a container at home to work out. It can be used as a warehouse and equipped with fitness equipment for fitness. Just buy one. 8-pack abs is waiting for you. Do you like this container gym? What should you do if the efficiency of working at home is so low? You can use a container to create an independent office space in the backyard of your home, so you are not afraid of being disturbed by the chores and children at home. This container RV is also too powerful. It drags a house directly to travel. In the middle of the container is an open kitchen, living room, and dining room. On both sides of the container are two large rooms with completely furniture and house appliances. The house is also an RV, and you can travel at any time. Does this satisfy all your fantasies? Do you believe that containers can be transformed to such a smart house? In the house, I cannot feel that it was remodeled with a container. The whole house is well decorated and equipped with a smart home system, which is moisture-proof, soundproof, and heating-preserving. Do you want such a container house? The life of living in a container can also be very delicate. You only need to buy 2 containers to have a container micro home. The 2 containers are stacked on the top of each other. The kitchen and living room are on the first floor, and balcony are on the second floor. Living alone is very comfortable, but not crowded for 2 people. Come and build your own container house. I will tell you more about shipping container transformation in the next issue.